our taxes and gave our lives to serve this great country. So what are they complaining about?
Bill Goudy checking in.
We love our families, we love our kids. You know it's love that makes us all so rich. That's where we're at. If they don't like it, they can just get the hell out.
Gonna have some chicken wings tonight. I'm gonna cover them with a little Texas Pete. Some true hot wings. Check it out. Do you know what Polina, I think it's Polina, or mush is? It's made with corn. Yeah, and it's not on my low glycemic index. And so what I've been doing is frying my mashed cauliflower. And I just so happen to have some leftover mashed cauliflower. I'm going to fry it up. Oh, it is good. And it reminds me a lot of the mush. It surely does. Just how easy it is.
Rock station 94.5 The X. Your ride home is not complete without listening to the Drive at 5. Your request and a chance to win. Weekdays on 94.5 The X.
Yeah, Mike, how about some Goudy and the Blowfish this Drive at 5?
Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? You got kisses for me? Do you? No, come on. There you go. Cold. you are going to hear me say it. Look. Oh man, look at the goodness. That is a garden fresh salad. Yeah, but it's not from my garden, unfortunately. Those tomatoes are. These little grape tomatoes, yeah. I harvest them just before the frost. That is Jack's drink water. Let's see. Sour cream and salsa. It is just an awesome dressing. I tell you what, I like that as well as the blue cheese. I'm just making that just because I like it. Let's dig into this, shall we? Lucy likes chicken. It's one of her favorites. You like chicken, Lucy? You want some chicken? Oh, look at that. Mmm. Mmm. Texas Pete goodness. Right there. Oh. You know, got that smoky. And there's a little bit of spicy heat. Just a little bit. I think Texas Pete is rated, talk with my mouth full. Texas Pete is rated medium. And, you know, it's just a nice, it's just a real nice compliment. Now this is my cauliflower that I'm heating up like polina or like mush. But there's no corn in it whatsoever. It's fried. I like to fry it in butter. I just fry that up. Yeah, and I gotta have some of that. Gotta have some of that salad. Well, look at that, will you? Sour cream and salsa of your choice. Oh, I'm using a habanero salsa. So it's a little bit spicy, and because I like it like that. Lucy's down here, and she's nudged me. She's wanting a bite. This Lucy Lou approved. Let's give her a bite, shall we? See if she likes it. You want a bite? That's pretty good, huh? You like that? I have to wash my hands now. Alright, I'll give you a plate. Yep, Lucy Lou approved. I'll fix her own plate. I'm thinking she's gonna like it. Listen, gotta go. Got some weather coming in. Thank you for watching. Bill Goudy out. Should we see if that's Lucy Lou approved? Is that Lucy Lou approved? I think that's Lucy Lou approved. I don't know. Can you see that? Yeah. Snowing big time. Lucy doesn't like it. Can you get up? Yeah. Yeah, there's a Probably a good inch on there. I don't know. Try to get a shot in the daylight. Camera doesn't work very good under the low light conditions, but yeah, it's definitely snowing.